Welcome to JD College of Engineering and Management, an autonomous institute affiliated to DBATU, that is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lone. Today, we are going to see the procedure to fill option form for engineering admissions. Open a browser and go to google.com. In the search tab, type MahaCET and click enter. Go to the first link. Welcome to State Common Entrance Test Cell Maharashtra. Scroll down and under Undergraduate Courses tab, click on BE Tech. Since you guys have already registered, click on Already Registered. After that, log in with your application ID and password. Once you log in, you will be able to see your details. Scroll down and click on Proceed to fill option form. On this page, we have to select various options. So the first option is we have to select course name. Suppose that I want to select Computer Science and Engineering. So I'll click on Select Course. I'll scroll down and select Computer Science and Engineering. The next step is to select University. I click on this, and you guys might be aware that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University is the only technological university in Maharashtra. So I'll go down and select Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Pune. I'll leave the districts to all. In the select course status, I'll leave it to all. In the select course autonomy status, as you guys might be aware that autonomous colleges are much better than non-autonomous college, I'll go ahead and select autonomous. After that, on select course minority status, I'll go ahead and select Hindi, and then I'll click on search institute. So as you can see that JD College of Engineering and Management is the only autonomous college affiliated to DBATU or Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University and the linguistic minority Hindi. I'll go ahead and click on this checkbox and click on add selected options. So what I have done is I have selected Computer Science and Engineering as my first preference. Suppose that I want to opt for more preferences, then I'll again go to this select course name tab and select artificial intelligence, for example, and then I'll again click on search institute, leaving all the fields unchanged. So again one option appears. I'll click on select and I'll click on add selected options. So now I have added two options, Computer Science and Engineering and Artificial Intelligence. Suppose that I want to add more choices just in order to improve my chances of getting a seat. So I'll add more options, let's say Mechanical Engineering. I'll again click on Search Institute, and once the college appears, I'll go and click on Select and click on Add Selected Options. So now I have successfully added Computer Science and Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Mechanical Engineering as my choices. I'll go and click on Save and Proceed. On this page, we have to select the preferences, which is my preferred branch. So suppose that I want Mechanical Engineering. So I'll click on this checkbox. After clicking on this checkbox, you can see that number 1 is written over here, which means that Mechanical Engineering is my first preference. Similarly, if I want to give second preference to Computer Science and Engineering, I click on this. So my second preference is Computer Science and Engineering, and my third preference is Artificial Intelligence. I'll click on Save and Proceed. This shows me the summary of the various options which I have filled. I'll click on Save and Proceed, and then I'll click on Confirm option form. A pop-up will appear and it will ask you whether you want to confirm your option form, and you'll click on OK. Next, what you have to do is you have to log in using your login password. A OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number, and once you submit the OTP, your option form will be confirmed. So this was the procedure of filling option forms. Do visit us on www.jdcm.ac.in. You can also have a campus tour by going to www.jdcm.ac.in/camper2, where you can virtually visit our campus. Thank you so much.